One of the WNBA's most decorated athletes in Sue Bird is going viral for her remarks that she said about Angel Reese. And you won't believe what she said, but we'll unpack all that next here on the Simply Ball Dropping Podcast. Well, Sue Bird, one of the WNBA's well-decorated athletes, has said some remarks about Angel Reese, and you won't believe what she said. Now, we all know who Sue Bird is. She is the WNBA's all-time assist leader. She does a little commentary with Diana Taurasi when it comes down to the NCAA women's basketball Final Four. And we all know Dana Taurasi and Sue Bird sat down last year and was talking about the Connecticut game and the Iowa game. And they had some remarks that they said about Caitlin Clark, which didn't go well for a lot of people. They thought that Diana Taurasi and Sue Bird was taking shots at Caitlin Clark, which they read that wrong. They were just giving a fair assessment, and they was critiquing Caitlin Clark on what she would provide at the next level in the WNBA. Also said it's going to be some growing pains, but she will settle in. And we saw what Caitlin Clark did her rookie season. But now that rookie season is over, and one player other than Angel Reese that was getting a lot of negative publicity for her play on the court. A lot of people say that, she was stat padding, missing her own layups, getting rebounds, and doing different things like that. Which rebounding is an art, it's a skill, it's a technique, and you can't teach that. You just got to want it. Just like Angel Reese has always said, she has that dog in her. She has that dog mentality. That's something that you can't teach. And now that the rookie campaign is over and you get a chance to sit back and dissect what Angel Reese has brought to the table with her high motor, her high tenacity, and how she plays the game. And the film is out there, and we do film study. You can see what she brings to the table. Now, Sue Bird has some interesting things to say about Angel Reese, and you won't believe what she said. Let's take a look at some of the things that Sue Bird had to say about Angel Reese of the Chicago Sky, Chi-Town Barbie. Let's take a look. Sue Bird predicts Angel Reese will be the biggest threat to all teams and unrivaled because of one of her qualities. Reese is already a star and only getting better. An anticipated builds for the upcoming season of Unrivaled. Former WNBA superstar Sue Bird has singled out Angel Reese as a force to be reckoned with. Bird is a legendary figure in women's basketball, recently shared her perspective on Reese's ability to dominate the competition, citing one particular quality that sets her apart from others: her relentless competitive spirit. Angel Reese's competitive edge. Angel Reese, a standout player who captured national attention during LSU's championship-winning campaign, has been making waves not only for her skill on the court, but also her undeniable tenacity. Sue Bird believes this drive will be the key factor in making Angel Reese the most significant challenge for any team in Unrivaled. What makes Angel so dangerous is her mindset, Bird remarked during a recent interview. She doesn't just play to win, she plays to dominate. That kind of intensity is something you can't teach, and it's in her DNA. Teams are going to have a hard time matching her energy and her presence. Sue Bird endorsement comes as Reese continues to build her own already impressive resume. Known for her ability to control the paint, dominate on the boards, and energize her teammates, Reese's presence alone can alter the trajectory of a game. Beyond her on-court prowess, Reese's leadership qualities are another asset Bird highlighted. Angel has the rare ability to elevate people around her, Bird said. She knows how to push her teammates to their best while still holding herself accountable, and that's championship players do. Reese's ability to blend physical dominance with her mental fortitude is what makes her such a unique talent. As Unrivaled gears up for another season, fans and analysts alike are eager to see how Reese's game would translate to the professional stage. A rising star poised for stardom, Reese's journey from college basketball star to professional powerhouse has been nothing short of mediocre. Her performance during the NCAA women's basketball tournament not only secured LSU championship title, but also cemented her reputation as one of the fiercest competitors in the sport. A target on her back. With her high praise comes high expectations. Reese's standout qualities have already made her a target for opposing teams. However, Bird believes that Reese thrives under pressure. If there's one thing I've seen from Angel, it's that she loves the challenge, Bird noted. The bigger the stage, the better she plays, and that's a mark of someone truly special. As Unrivaled prepares to tip off, all eyes will undoubtedly be on Angel Reese. With Sue Bird's glowing prediction and Reese's proven track record, it's clear she is poised to be dominant force in the league. Her competitive spirit, leadership, and undeniable talent make her not just a player to watch, but a player to fear. Now you guys heard what Sue Bird had to say about Angel Reese, and that's giving Angel Reese the utmost respect in a humbling way. Now we all say things about Angel Reese, and we all know that she is dominant. She has a high motor. That's something you can't teach, like Sue Bird said. That's in her DNA. And if you don't got it, you just don't got it. And Angel Reese, excuse me, is one of them dominant players that's going to be a force to be reckoned with in this league for a long time. And that just goes to show that people are starting to realize what Angel Reese means to women's basketball. When you have people like Sue Bird making gestures like this, it just goes to show you that real recognizes real. The greats recognize great ones. And she is pointing all this out on the eve of Unrivaled. And she is looking for Angel Reese to go out there and dominate, to be a force that nobody can contend with. And she says this would translate back into her WNBA season. This is only going to help Angel Reese. So for Sue Bird to point out these major factors and qualities about Angel Reese, what we always talk about on this channel, Angel Reese is dominant. It just goes to show, man. It goes to show that people that know basketball and sit down and dissect the things that Angel Reese does on the court, they understand. They understand it now. And Sue Bird is one that understands the presence that Angel Reese brings on the basketball court. Also, she stated Angel Reese makes her teammates better. makes her teammates better. You can't say that about a lot of these players in the WNBA, that they make their teammates better. But for Sue Bird to point that out is very significant, that she stated that Angel Reese, her presence alone on the court, her infectious energy rubs off on her teammates, and that brings the high quality out in her teammates. Sue Bird has gave Angel Reese the utmost respect. So you guys let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. I see everybody in the comment section, #salute. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button. Turn your post notifications on so you know every time Simply Ball drops another hot banger. And we're going to catch you on the next one. Deuces.
Thanks for listening to the Simply Ball Dropping podcast. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share on all major platforms.
That's all, folks.